Music is food for the soul. But did you also know that listening to music can make your pockets full by making money online on a secret website that I'm about to reveal? Spotify is one of the largest music platforms today. With millions of tracks from artists all over the world, the choices are endless. And what if I tell you that listening alone can give you passive amounts of 100 to 800 pounds? Converting British sterling pounds to dollars, that gives you 135 to 1000 US dollars or even more with this one secret site. This money method is absolutely charge-free, so you can use this wherever you are on the planet. Whether you're from Southeast Asia, North America, or Europe, or anywhere else, we want everyone to gain access to this money-making, foolproof advice. Music is surely universal. And guess what? This website we're about to reveal is completely free from sign-up fees. So you can listen to as much music as you want and earn money online as a beginner just by listening to Spotify music. Before we go further, welcome to the Online Money Girl channel. This is your online money girl, and I teach people all over the world the best and newest ways to make money online regardless of background and expertise. Here, we will go through ways to make money online with the latest cash-generating trends so that you can work on your own terms and go for that dream. Remember to subscribe to the channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and press the notification bell if you like making money online. As a subscriber, you'll surely be on our list whenever there's a new video. If you love our content, leave us a comment down below telling us what you love most about our videos. Now, let me demonstrate how listening to music from Spotify can get you that cash by the help of a secret website. Spotify is used widely by most ages to gain access to your favorite music or podcast. Spotify is laptop, mobile phone, and tablet friendly, so searching and swiping your type of music wouldn't give you a hard time. There are millions of tracks on Spotify, so whether you are behind the wheel, working out, partying, or relaxing, the right music is always at your fingertips. Subscribe for free or listen premium. I'll shortly walk you through the process of signing up on Spotify because Spotify is the gateway for this platform to earn extra cash. If you already have a Spotify account, that's great, but this video is also beginner friendly, and I'd be much happier to guide you. Stick around because this is just a short run through. First, go to Spotify.com. At the upper right of the homepage, click Sign Up. You may sign up with Facebook or you may sign up using your email. Fill in the necessary information and voila! You may now start listening to music anytime. Easy, right? You can also install Spotify on your mobile phone or tablet by searching the app on the Play Store. Now you have access to Spotify. You can follow artists, playlists, listen to podcasts, like songs, and even create your own playlist according to the genre you like. Stay tuned for the remaining few minutes because this is where I'll be finally talking about the secret platform that makes listening to music generate passive income. Also, keep your eyes glued on the screen and listen well because I want you to do it correctly. Many people do it incorrectly and as a result, they don't make money, so please do your best. I want you to realize the earning potential by simply listening to music. Let's begin your money-making journey. Go to musicgateway.com. Music Gateway is a global platform with a team of people behind it. They work passionately to provide products and services that help create opportunities to music professionals worldwide with unique solutions. They mainly support artists, songwriters, and producers to empower them. There are many music platforms that exist to help you monetize your skills, influence, and efficiency. However, these platforms do not reward your submission rate and often leave you chained on your desk reviewing music for hours. It's easier to have a tool that empowers your effort and your time listening to music. You'll even get rewarded for the volume of submissions and make your life easier. Now, the question I always get, can we really earn a passive amount of 100 to 800 pounds or 135 to 1000 US dollars? I say yes. Listen carefully and don't take your eyes off the screen because I need you to follow closer to learn how to make money online listening to Spotify with this method. From the homepage, scroll down to the bottom to Music Gateway. Choose the category Curators and click. Scroll down and this is where you'll find the answer to your question. How many submissions do I need to earn money? Let's take a look at the table. You need to submit at least 200 songs to earn £100 or 2,500 songs for £1,000. Take note, you need at least 200 submissions to make the cut. Of course, you can absolutely listen to 200 songs anytime in a day. Basically, you're going to become a music curator. And curators earn using the platform submission tool. Imagine having a supplementary income aside from your day job. A music curator spends time listening to music. You will listen and categorize music from labels and independent artists, often receiving hundreds of songs a day. The curator will categorize them by genre, feel, instrumentation, male or female vocals, and anything you can think of. The more specific the categorization, the easier the curator's job. Before we get to the most exciting part of the video, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. Also, comment below and let us know how much money you want to make by listening to Spotify music. Now it's time to join up. From the curators page we visited earlier, click Apply Now. You'll need to sign up a form that asks whether you're a Spotify curator, radio presenter, music blogger, DJ, social media influencer, or support artist. Fill out the form providing your email address, curator name, and country. Also, tick the boxes of your preferred music and media platform. Some choices are Spotify, YouTube, radio, blogs, or others. Next, provide the link of your playlist, channel, station, or blog, and how many submissions you can potentially submit each week. Also, tick the boxes of what genres you prefer working with, whether pop, dance, EDM, hip-hop, R&B, rock, alternative rock, jazz, soul, and more. Click Submit, and you're good to go. Now we'll go on to the essential step. I'd like you to return to the Spotify app on your phone or computer. It's now time to discover different music and curate them into playlists for submission. From there, I'd like you to look at the various categories that are relevant to Music Gateway, such as pop music. Go back to Spotify and search pop music on the search bar. As you click the search button, Spotify will generate songs under the pop music category, and there will be hundreds and thousands to choose from. What I want you to do is create a new playlist for your pop music collection. Spotify will also automatically recommend songs for your new playlist, so you don't have to spend time worrying what songs to add. Finally, I'll show you how to pull a link from your playlist. When you click your playlist, you can see a 3-dot icon on top. Click the dots and then it'll give you several options. Click Share and choose Copy Link. You may now paste this link on your Music Gateway account. If you'll also examine the reviews about Music Gateway, they have been operating with people all over the world and help many passive income seekers like you. Music Gateway isn't a get-rich-quick website, but if you have the determination, hard work, and skills to make the cut, then you're on the right path. Go for it because we're already rooting for your success. So, can you really earn that coveted side cash? Yes, and the drill is just simple. Listen to music and get paid. There's no easy way for a beginner to make money online by listening to Spotify music. If you find this video helpful and interesting, let us know in the comments and hit the big like button below. Also, smack the subscribe button and the notification bell because we'll keep you posted for similar money-making contents. I truly appreciate you for joining me until the end of this video. As always, this is OMG saying BYE. I'll see you in the next video.